So, you're a gardener. You love getting your hands dirty, nurturing your plants, and watching your backyard transform into a lush, green paradise. But sometimes, no matter how much effort you put in, your plants just don't seem to thrive the way you want. You've tried everything for lush plants, right? Compost, manure, expensive fertilizers. Been there, done that. Maybe you've even spent hours researching the best products or mixing up your own blends hoping for that magic boost. But what if I told you the real secret weapon is already sitting in your kitchen, and it costs less than $1? That's right, it's yeast. This humble ingredient is often overlooked, but it can make a world of difference in your garden. Yeast is packed with B vitamins and natural growth hormones that supercharge your soil, helping your plants grow stronger, healthier, and more vibrant than ever before. It's a simple, affordable way to give your garden a real edge. Today, I'll show you 5 easy yeast-based fertilizers that are absolute game changers for organic gardeners. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these tips will help you unlock your garden's full potential. Let's get started. Let's begin with the basic yeast tonic, a simple yet powerful homemade solution that's perfect for anyone just starting out with plant care or looking for an easy way to boost their garden's health. This tonic is especially helpful for young seedlings that need a gentle start, or for stressed plants that are struggling to recover and regain their vigor. When you use yeast, it releases natural phytohormones and beneficial compounds that signal your plants to grow stronger roots and lush, healthy leaves, helping them establish quickly and thrive. To make this tonic, gather 1 packet of active dry yeast and a tablespoon of sugar. These are the key ingredients that will activate the yeast and kickstart the process. You'll also need a liter of warm water, which helps dissolve the sugar and wakes up the yeast, making it ready to work its magic. Start by mixing the sugar into the warm water until it's fully dissolved, then gently sprinkle the yeast on top, allowing it to activate and begin fermenting. Let the mixture sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until it becomes frothy and bubbly. This means the yeast is alive and active, ready to benefit your plants. Next, dilute 1 part of this yeast solution with 10 parts water to make it gentle enough for your plants, ensuring it won't overwhelm their roots. Finally, pour this nourishing mix around the base of your plants every 2 to 3 weeks and watch as they respond with stronger growth, greener leaves, and improved resilience. Level up with the banana peel booster for flowering and fruiting plants. Blend 2 banana peels with a liter of water into a slurry. Add a teaspoon of yeast, stir, and let it ferment for 2 days. Dilute 1 part booster with 5 parts water and feed your plants. This mix is packed with potassium and growth hormones. Feed your soil with the yeast and molasses microbe feed. Combine 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses, and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Molasses feeds the yeast and soil microbes with sugars and minerals. Let it sit until bubbly, then drench the soil around your plants. This boosts soil health, leading to stronger, pest-resistant plants. Enhance your compost tea with yeast for a microbial boost. Add yeast to your compost tea brew halfway through the cycle. Activate yeast with warm water and sugar, then add to the tea. This enriches the tea with more beneficial organisms and growth compounds. Solve calcium deficiency with the eggshell calcium mix. Crush eggshells into a powder, cover with water, and add sugar and yeast. Ferment for a week to convert calcium carbonate into plant-absorbable calcium acetate. Strain and dilute the liquid, then use as a soil drench for calcium-hungry plants. There you have it, an easy, affordable way to give your garden a real boost using something as simple as yeast. We've just explored 5 simple yet incredibly powerful ways to use yeast in your garden, each one designed to help your plants grow stronger and healthier. Yeast isn't just for baking bread or making pizza dough, it's actually a secret weapon for gardeners everywhere. When added to your soil, yeast acts as a catalyst for biological activity at your plant's roots, encouraging beneficial microbes and helping roots absorb nutrients more efficiently. For just the cost of a single yeast packet, you can make gallons of homemade organic fertilizer that's safe for your family and the environment. Try out these easy recipes and see the difference for yourself. Your plants will thank you with bigger blooms, tastier veggies, and lush green growth. With just a little effort, you can transform your garden into a thriving, vibrant oasis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more gardening tips and tricks.